Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Safari search engine on iPhone. So let's get started. Let's open Safari browser and search for a key phrase. As you can see, the search engine used at the moment is Google. Now close Safari browser. Go to iPhone settings. Scroll down and look for Safari. Tap on it. Here under search section, tap on search engine. Here you will find search engine options like Google, which is set as default, Yahoo, Bing, DuckcuckGo and Ecosia. Just tap on the search engine of your choice. Let's select Bing search engine. Now open Safari browser and try to search for any key phrase. As you can see, now search results are showing from Bing search engine. That means Safari search engine is now changed from Google to Bing. So that was the short tutorial on how to change Safari search engine on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.